If you've recently been curious about best Christmas lights on Amazon, this video is for you. Tried to make the video with informative description and customer reviews about Christmas tree, so that you can know A to Z about Christmas lights on Amazon. Let's start. Number 1. Home Lighting Halloween Lights 66 FT200 LED. A home lighting Halloween lights, 66 FT200 LED plug-in green wire string light. 8 lighting modes, waterproof fairy mini lights for indoor-outdoor Christmas wedding party decorations. Description. Should be written with this title. Description. Should be written with this title. Space into a captivating Halloween haven with our home lighting Halloween lights. This 66 FT string of 200 LED lights, featuring a festive green wire, is the perfect way to illuminate your indoor and outdoor spaces with a spooky yet enchanting glow. With 8 versatile lighting modes to choose from, including steady on, slow fade, twinkle, and more, you have the flexibility to create the ambience that suits your Halloween festivities. Crafted with durability in mind, these waterproof fairy lights are designed to withstand the elements, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're decorating for a Halloween party, Christmas celebration, wedding, or simply adding a touch of magic to your home, these lights are sure to enhance the festive atmosphere. The plug-in design ensures a reliable and continuous power source, allowing you to enjoy the mesmerizing display without worrying about battery replacements. String them along fences, wrap them around trees, or drape them across windows to bring a playful and eerie charm to any space.
Just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night looking for Santa.
Number 2. Purple and Orange Halloween Solar String Lights. Elevate your outdoor Halloween decor with our purple and orange Halloween solar string lights. This 2-pack of 80 FT solar twinkle lights boasts 200 LED bulbs, casting a bewitching glow in shades of purple and orange. Crafted with a waterproof design, these lights are perfect for adding an enchanting touch to your outdoor spaces. Whether you're decorating your porch, garden, or backyard, the copper wire construction adds a touch of sophistication, allowing the lights to blend seamlessly into your Halloween decorations. Powered by solar energy, these lights are not only eco-friendly but also hassle-free, eliminating the need for constant battery changes. Simply place the solar panel in direct sunlight, and watch as the lights come to life with a magical twinkle as night falls. With 8 dazzling modes to choose from, including steady on, slow fade, and flash, you have the creative freedom to set the perfect ambience for your Halloween festivities. Whether you're hosting a haunted outdoor gathering or simply adding a touch of spookiness to your landscape, these solar fairy lights are the ideal choice. Number 3. LED Remote Control Christmas Curtain Light. A Jmexus 300 LED Remote Control Christmas Curtain Lights. Plug-in fairy curtain lights outdoor. Window wall hanging curtain string lights for bedroom backdrop wedding party indoor decor. Warm white. Description. Should be written with this title. Transform any space into a winter wonderland with our Jmexus 300 LED Remote Control Christmas Curtain Lights. This enchanting curtain of lights is designed to add a warm and festive touch to your holiday decorations. With a convenient plug-in design, these fairy curtain lights are easy to install and provide a stunning backdrop for various settings, including bedrooms, windows, walls, and even outdoor spaces. The 300 warm white LED lights, controlled by a handy remote, allow you to customize the ambience with ease. Choose from a variety of lighting modes, adjust brightness levels, and create the perfect atmosphere for your Christmas celebrations, weddings, or indoor parties. The remote control functionality adds a layer of convenience, letting you effortlessly change settings without having to reach for the lights. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, these curtain lights are perfect for enhancing the festive spirit. Adorn your bedroom, create a captivating backdrop for wedding photos, or add a touch of magic to your holiday gatherings. The curtain design makes it easy to hang and instantly transforms any space into a cozy and inviting winter retreat. Jmexis brings you quality and versatility with the 300 LED remote control Christmas curtain lights. Let the warm white glow and customizable lighting modes create a magical ambience that will leave
for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became
Number 4. Home Lighting 66 Feet Christmas Decorative Mini Lights. Elevate your holiday decorations with the enchanting glow of Home Lighting 66 Feet Christmas Decorative Mini Lights. This string of 200 LED lights, featuring a charming green wire, is the perfect addition to your indoor and outdoor decor. With a convenient plug-in design, these fairy starry string lights are hassle-free and promise to bring a festive ambience to your Christmas tree, weddings, parties, and beyond. Boasting 8 versatile lighting modes, including steady on, twinkle, and fade, these mini lights allow you to tailor the atmosphere to suit any occasion. Whether you're creating a cozy indoor setting or enhancing the charm of your outdoor space, these lights are sure to add a touch of magic to your holiday celebrations. The green wire seamlessly blends with Christmas trees and foliage, creating a harmonious and festive display. With a generous length of 66 feet, you have the flexibility to wrap these lights around your tree or drape them across various surfaces, adding a twinkling allure to every corner. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, these lights are a versatile and durable choice for all your holiday decorating needs. Make a statement this Christmas with Home Lighting 66 Feet Christmas Decorative Mini Lights, and let the warm glow and dynamic lighting modes create a joyful and inviting atmosphere for all your festive occasions. Number 5. 2-pack Solar Christmas Lights Outdoor Waterproof. Illuminate your outdoor spaces with the festive charm of our 2-pack solar Christmas lights. These waterproof fairy lights, featuring a generous length of 144 ft and 400 LED bulbs per pack, are designed to add a magical touch to your Christmas tree, garden, parties, weddings, and more. The solar-powered design ensures a hassle-free and eco-friendly lighting solution, allowing you to enjoy the warm white glow without the need for constant battery changes. Crafted with copper wire, these solar fairy LED string lights add a touch of elegance to your outdoor decor. The flexible wire allows you to easily mold and shape the lights to suit your creative vision. Whether you're wrapping them around trees, draping them along fences, or adorning your garden with a captivating sparkle. With 8 dynamic lighting modes to choose from, including steady on, flash, and slow fade, you have the freedom to customize the ambience for any occasion. Let the twinkling lights create a festive atmosphere for your holiday celebrations, or add a touch of magic to your outdoor weddings and parties. These solar twinkle lights are not only decorative but also practical, automatically charging during the day and illuminating your outdoor space at night. Say goodbye to cumbersome power cords and enjoy the freedom to place these lights wherever you desire.
When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and
Please click the link in the video description to purchase the product. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing to Amazon's best product reviews. Thanks for watching the video.